Yo, what's up guys, it's Pola_1J back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of computer shortcuts. These little tricks can make a huge difference in your daily digital routine. We're talking about those keyboard combos that seem kinda extra at first, like a secret language only tech wizards know. But once you master them, they'll have you flying through your digital life. Imagine cutting down the time you spend on repetitive tasks. We're not just talking about saving a few seconds here and there, although that adds up. Over time, these seconds turn into minutes, and minutes into hours. These shortcuts can genuinely change how you interact with your computer, making you way more efficient and productive. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who spends a good chunk of their day on a computer, trust me, these tips are absolute game changers. They can help you get more done in less time. I've picked out 10 of the most useful shortcuts that I use literally every single day. These are the ones that have made my life so much easier. We're gonna break each one down, show you exactly how they work and why they're so essential. You'll see how they can transform your workflow. So, if you're ready to level up your computer game, stick around. This is going to be a game changer for you. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic Ctrl+C, your gateway to the copy and paste universe. Highlight any text, image, file, you name it, hit Ctrl+C and boom, it's copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever your heart desires. This shortcut is so fundamental, it's almost like breathing at this point. Think about it, how many times a day do you copy and paste something? Probably more than you realize. And without Ctrl+C, you'd be stuck right-clicking and selecting copy every single time. Talk about tedious. But with this shortcut, it's just bam, 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 done. It's all about efficiency, people. And trust me, once you get in the habit of using Ctrl+C, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now that you've mastered the art of copying with Ctrl+C, it's time to unleash the power of Ctrl+V, the paste master. Once you've got something copied to your clipboard, hit Ctrl+V, and like magic, it appears wherever your cursor is. It's a beautiful thing, this seamless transfer of information. No more retyping, no more dragging and dropping, just pure, unadulterated pasting efficiency. And the best part is it works across different applications, different programs, even different operating systems. So, whether you're copying text from a website into a document, or moving files from one folder to another, Ctrl+V is your trusty sidekick, always there to make your life easier. Remember, copy and paste, the dynamic duo of the digital world. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there. You're typing away on a roll and then bam! You hit the wrong key or make a mistake that you didn't even notice until it's too late. You accidentally delete a whole paragraph or worse, an entire document. It's like your worst nightmare coming true in broad daylight. Don't panic, my friend, because Ctrl+Z is here to save the day. This simple keyboard shortcut can reverse your last action in an instant. This magical shortcut is your undo button, your time machine, your get-out-of-jail-free card. It's like having a superpower at your fingertips. Hit it once and your last action is reversed. It's like waving a magic wand and making your mistake disappear. Hit it again and the action before that is undone. You can keep going back step by step until you're back to where you want to be. It's like taking a step back in time, except without the paradoxes and alternate realities. Just pure, simple undoing. Ctrl+Z is a lifesaver, plain and simple. It gives you the confidence to try new things without the fear of making irreversible mistakes. It gives you that peace of mind knowing that even if you make a mistake, you can always undo it. It's like having a safety net for your digital life. So go ahead, experiment. Make those bold edits, because Ctrl+Z has got your back. Embrace the freedom to create without fear. Now, sometimes you undo a little too much, or maybe you change your mind and want to redo that last action. That's where Ctrl+Y comes in, the redo renegade. It's the opposite of Ctrl+Z, bringing back what you once undid. Think of it like this. Ctrl+Z is your rewind button and Ctrl+Y is your fast forward. Together, they give you complete control over your actions, allowing you to fine-tune your work with precision. So, the next time you're deep in a project and you find yourself going back and forth between actions, remember the power of Ctrl+Y. It's the perfect complement to Ctrl+Z, ensuring that you're always in the driver's seat. Let's say you've got a massive document, pages and pages of text, and you need to select it all. Now you could try scrolling down endlessly, holding down the mouse button, but who's got time for that? Ctrl+A is here to make your life a whole lot easier. This shortcut is all about efficiency on a grand scale. Hit Ctrl+A, and boom, everything in that document, every single character is selected. No more tedious scrolling, no more aching fingers, just instant selection gratification. And it's not just for text documents either. Ctrl+A works in folders, on web pages, pretty much anywhere you can select things. It's a universal shortcut for taking control of your digital domain. Okay, let's talk multitasking. You've got multiple applications open, you're switching between tasks, and it's getting a little chaotic. That's where Alt+Tab comes in, your new best friend for seamless application juggling. Hold down Alt, tap Tab, and watch as a window pops up, showcasing all your open applications. Keep tapping Tab to cycle through them, and when you land on the one you want, release the Alt key. Boom, you're instantly transported to that application. No more minimizing and maximizing windows, no more clicking through the taskbar, just smooth, effortless application switching. Alt+Tab is the ultimate shortcut for those who like to get things done, and get them done fast. Ever find yourself staring at a wall of text, desperately searching for a specific word or phrase? It can be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming, especially when you're in a hurry or under pressure. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, right? The more you search, the more elusive it seems. Well, not anymore, because Ctrl+F, the search ninja, is here to save the day. This simple yet powerful tool can transform your search experience. Hit Ctrl+F and a little search bar pops up. It's like summoning a digital assistant ready to help you find exactly what you need. Type in what you're looking for, hit enter, and boom, every instance of that word or phrase is highlighted. No more endless scrolling or squinting at the screen. It's like having a digital detective at your fingertips, instantly tracking down your target. This feature is a lifesaver for students, professionals, and anyone dealing with large amounts of text. Whether you're searching for a quote in a document, a specific term in a report, or a reference in a research paper, a keyword on a web page, perhaps buried in a long article or blog post, or even a specific email in your inbox, lost among hundreds of messages, Ctrl+F is an absolute game changer. It simplifies your search process and makes finding information a breeze. It takes the pain out of searching and puts you in control of your information overload. With Ctrl+F, you can navigate through your digital world with ease and efficiency. We've all been there, right? You're working on an important document, putting in the hours, and then bam! The power goes out, your computer crashes, or you accidentally close the file without saving. Hours of work gone in an instant. But fear not, my friend, because Ctrl+S, the save savior, is here to protect you from such digital disasters. Make it a habit to hit Ctrl+S every few minutes, and your work will be safe and sound. It's a simple shortcut, but trust me, it can save you a world of pain and frustration. So the next time you sit down to work on something important, remember the power of Ctrl+S. It's your digital guardian angel, always there to protect your precious data. So you've finished that masterpiece of a document, that presentation that's going to wow your colleagues, or maybe it's just a recipe you need to print out for later. Whatever it is, Ctrl+P, the print master, is here to make the process quick and painless. Hit those keys and a window pops up, giving you all the options you need. Printer selection, page range, copies, you name it. Fine-tune your settings, hit print, and watch as your digital creation comes to life on paper. No more digging through menus, no more struggling with printer settings, just pure, unadulterated printing efficiency. Ctrl+P is the shortcut that bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds, making sure your ideas see the light of day. Alright, last but not least, we've got a shortcut that's all about security and peace of mind. Windows+L, the lockdown. Whether you're stepping away from your computer for a few minutes or for the rest of the day, hitting these two keys instantly locks your screen. No more logging out, no more shutting down, just instant privacy protection. It's especially useful if you're in a public place or sharing your computer with others. Windows+L is a simple yet effective way to safeguard your data and ensure that no one can access your personal information. It's a quick and easy habit to develop, and it can save you a lot of potential headaches down the line. So there you have it, guys. 10 computer shortcuts that will absolutely change your life. I know it might seem like a lot to remember at first, but trust me, once you start using them regularly, they'll become second nature. These shortcuts are all about working smarter, not harder. They're about saving time, boosting your productivity, and just making your overall computing experience more enjoyable. So, I encourage you to try them out, experiment with them, and see the difference they make in your workflow. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, peace out.